while. Hi. Unfortunately, you cannot see me because I just got off work. It's kind of late, but it's not really late just because we went back 1 hour and it's really dark in the day. It's like 9, but it's not even 7 and it's already this dark. So this is the only reason I literally logged on here is because I'm gonna tell you telephone. So to that butu me that bututi. So there's one specific reason why I logged onto here is because I have to literally figure out why we always talk about, or we always trying to blame someone else. We always want to flip the table and say that it's this person's fault. All right, so I'm gonna leave you guys with that to think about, and meanwhile I'm gonna drive home. So I just don't know. I just really want to know, why do we tend to blame other people for our own misfortune, you know, instead of saying, okay, I messed up, I screwed up, I'm sorry. You know, like saying sorry, et on va dire sur le bi pardon. Le bi pardon pour bandeli sur l'eau ça là qui bon monter. So okay ko pesa mutu. Okay ko senga bo limbisi. Tant on bo limbisi ezo lo ba ke o se reconnaît que o sala ki mabe mutu wana a approché a bisio que sala ki mabe o limbisi. Mais biso sikoyo, for us it's different. It's like when someone comes to you and tell you something they didn't like, right? Instead of you saying you're sorry, instead of you acknowledging, you just go, ah. Or you try to flip the table, make it look like you were not in the wrong, make it look like the other person's in the wrong. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure you've all come across people who actually do stuff like that. People who, oh Lord, I thought my lashes came off. You know, people who can never acknowledge when they're in the wrong. Or people who say they're sorry, but go right back at doing the same thing that you actually were talking to them about. Like, what the fuck? Niniko, so we speak déjà pardon, o sengo limbisi, et le molo ba ke o reconnaître ko sala mabe, ko senga pardon te, so ko ebi ke ozonga makambana. Donc tiko ko sabatu, so ko ebi ko ozonga makambana tika, you know, but when you need to be able to take responsibility for your own things, your own stuff. Tu dois connaître, il faut yeba kozala responsable makambo sala. Il faut yeba ke so ko sali boye, mutana o pese kanda, mutana o rapprocher. So li ba rapprocher te ko sala ngote. So ki ba rapprocher ki yo ozongel makambo wana, o yebi ko ozongel makamana papa tika buzo ba ko mama. Boni boy. I don't know why we do that. Like just acknowledge that when you're wrong, you acknowledge, or when someone tells you, like, yes, you come back down. I don't care how old you are. I don't care your ethnicity. A lot of people do that. And it's really frustrating trying to tell someone, like, that you're never wrong. Or you can never acknowledge that you're wrong. Like, you're perfect. Nobody's perfect. If we were all perfect, there wouldn't be no shooting. There wouldn't be no hate. There would not be no jealousy, envy, betrayal, killing. If we were perfect, it would be great. But if you can just acknowledge when you screwed up and someone else is telling you that you screwed up, it would be great. So be able to accept when you're in the wrong is important, and be able to say you're sorry and actually mean it. Not just, oh, sorry. No. You actually have to say, I am sorry. There's a difference when someone say sorry. Il y a une différence quand quelqu'un quand tu as lobby à limbisanga. Na mutanga lobby ndeko limbisanga. You know, when someone say I'm sorry, I am sorry, I acknowledge that I screwed up. Ugh. So learning, you know. So I'm detoxing for the next weeks. So I'm gonna leave you to that. Acknowledge when you're in the wrong, learn to apologize, learn to mean it, and learn not to start over. to start with that again. So until then, later guys. Oh, and happy holidays.